The highly economical and dependable nature of the 2026 Renault Clio positions it as an incredibly sensible choice for drivers who demand long-lasting reliability and extremely predictable running costs over years of ownership. At the very heart of this smartly engineered European hatchback sits a highly efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged inline-3 engine that consistently generates a healthy 90 horsepower alongside 160 newton-meters of torque, ensuring you have enough pulling power for highway merging. This spirited little power plant is mated perfectly to a slick shifting 6-speed manual transmission that officially accelerates the vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in precisely 12.2 seconds, while brilliantly maintaining a highly versatile trunk capacity of exactly 391 liters for weekly groceries or weekend getaways. When closely examining the exterior aesthetic, the heavily refined front fascia proudly features a striking geometric grille flanked by signature LED lighting signatures that dramatically improve aerodynamic drag coefficients, while the carefully chosen aerodynamic alloy wheels ensure a stable and firmly planted driving stance across various weather conditions. Stepping inside the thoughtfully designed interior, the cabin generously utilizes durable yet surprisingly premium soft touch materials that surround a large high-definition touchscreen display, which cleverly houses all the necessary driving assistance and maintenance tracking software. Keeping this sophisticated machine running in absolute peak condition strictly requires a comprehensive understanding of the official maintenance schedule overview, which details every necessary service interval to ensure mechanical longevity. Based on the manufacturer guidelines, routine oil changes utilizing high-quality synthetic lubricants and the replacement of the primary oil filter are generally required every 15,000 kilometers or annually, whichever milestone is reached first, to prevent internal engine wear. Furthermore, the comprehensive service protocol mandates the meticulous inspection and eventual replacement of the engine air filter and the cabin pollen filter to maintain optimal combustion efficiency and interior air quality, while the spark plugs for the turbocharged engine demand replacement at further specified intervals to ensure perfect ignition timing. Looking strictly at the provided technical specifications and engineering blueprints, the entire suspension geometry, including the front McPherson struts and the rear torsion beam, is built to easily withstand the harsh realities of daily commuting, providing a consistently comfortable ride that proudly upholds its rigorous class standards. The braking system requires routine pad and rotor thickness inspections to guarantee optimal stopping distances, while the specialized long-life engine coolant needs checking to prevent any thermal management issues during peak summer temperatures. Evaluating the maintenance demands on paper reveals a highly logical and easily manageable service routine that avoids unnecessary complexity while directly focusing on preserving the core reliability of the mechanical components. The onboard computer system actively monitors driving habits and fluid degradation, automatically alerting the driver when a scheduled workshop visit is fast approaching, thereby completely removing the guesswork from vehicle upkeep. The structural integrity of the chassis, combined with the resilient exterior paint finishes, requires minimal cosmetic upkeep beyond regular washing and seasonal waxing to protect against environmental contaminants. Analyzing the overall service requirements without physically testing the car firmly indicates that the total cost of ownership remains exceptionally low due to the highly accessible nature of the routine maintenance items in the engine bay. Ultimately, the official factory data confirms that following the strict servicing guidelines ensures this practical hatchback remains an incredibly faithful and wonderfully efficient companion for any driver seeking hassle-free transportation.